Hey YouTube, what's the purpose of having the garlic in my hand tonight? It's a beautiful spring night out here, and got to get ready, got more plants to go into the ground, and with them I'm going to put some garlic. Some of the plants I'm going to put into the ground include the lettuces and stuff that are over that way in those trays there, and what I need to do is find space here in these square foot beds. For some of them, I've already started with a few, and possibly, oh yeah, over here. So, this is where a grapevine is growing, and I always plant a bunch of greens in here during the summer, and different flowers and such. So, we'll see what I want to do here. Got some comfrey here already. That's a perennial that keeps coming back, and you'll see that grow as the summer goes on. But I think that's where we'll put these lettuces. Maybe we'll toss a couple into this little area here. This is where I'm trying to grow a couple of gooseberry bushes. This is year 2 for them, so we'll see how this goes. So, just trying to figure out the chores and which areas here and what areas I want to save, but I think for lettuces I can populate this pretty well, and especially over here I'll get rid of all those lettuces and parsleys. That's butter crunch lettuce, and tastes more delicious, and I think it's more beneficial than spinach, and that's just my opinion. The research that I've done has been, you know, limited at best, but I did post it already on another video, and we'll see how these turn out over time. So, as spring moves on, I want to show how I go ahead and just do the transplants and make it a part of healthy everyday living by putting your hands into the soil and becoming more with it, so you know what the heck is really going on inside and outside. Okay, stay tuned here. So I'll demonstrate with 3 plants, well really 2 for now. Butter crunch lettuce, there's actually 2 heads growing in here, and parsley, Italian broadleaf parsley. These seeds are, well, these plants are started as seeds. They're the seeds are a product of Southern Exposure Seed Exchange in Mineral, Virginia. Always happy to tout them. What I think I want to do, because I've got a bunch of strawberries, these are, you know, now 2 4x4 raised beds that hold a number of strawberry plants. You know, started out with maybe less than half a dozen several years ago, and now I planted in extra, and extra runners have grown. So this will be a nice strawberry patch. Used to grow asparagus in here, but over a period of time that really didn't work out well. So anyways, for starters, just taking regular old store-bought garlic, and wherever I feel like it's going to be good, I'm going to take my weed digger here and just go down as deep as I can and drop that in there like this, pointy side up. Okay, there's even a couple stuck together. I don't care, because what I'm trying to do is, you know, this garlic will grow. Garlic's tough, grows through anything, and it'll help protect these plants with its unique aroma and other beneficials. Include, like, as it goes down and it grows, it continuously helps to break up the ground as it gets bigger. But my main point here is to help use it as more or less a very silent partner in the insecticide business here. You know, want to do everything very natural. Squirrels, rabbits, and certain bad critters for strawberries, you know, may not slugs so much to some extent, but you know, a lot of animals don't like the smell of garlic, and they will do anything to get away from it. That's how you can tell whether or not they're, you know, a good bug or not, you know, just like a vampire maybe. Okay, so what happened here? Got a plant I tried to plant last night that apparently didn't stick into the ground very well. Let's see if we can rectify that. There we go. We'll see how that looks. Okay, gotta grab my tool. So, normally something like this for planting is my preferred tool because it exactly fits the size of the cups that I use. These are reusable cups. If I do the plants right, I will get seeds out of them, so I can continuously do this spring after spring. You know, I like to put lettuces here, and it's easy to come out the door and just start picking things like a salad bar. With strawberries to top in another few weeks here, about another month, strawberries will be popping. So we'll put a parsley in here. And again, parsley, another beneficial plant, attracts good bugs and keeps bad ones away. And I'll leave it at that for now. I've been doing it for years and always find it beneficial, and I've gotten good at really making, you know, this plant, I can make it last months long. I can make this last month. So coming in and pinching middle leaves like so will really help the parsley grow. So I better show this better. So you see there's 3 leaves like that. What I've been experimenting with, pinching these off. So you have 2, and this plant will get big and wide and tall. If I do that little by little, and it'll last several months. And it's already got a, this one actually came back from last year. There's a parsley here that is coming back this spring, which is real nice. There you go. I'm going to do some more garlic around the edge here. Let's toss a couple in here. You know, some other features of this bed besides the strawberries, we've already got, what, 3 different plants here. Got some